How to contact EA Sports live chat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up a web browser and go to ea.com. Then scroll all the way down and find the help option. Click on this option, and once you do, you're going to find the list of your games over here. In this case, you want to click on FC24. Now you're going to find different issues over here. So you can select any one of them or click on see all if you do not find your issue. Once you find it, simply click on this arrow button. Now click on chat with us option over here. Once you click on this option, you're going to fill up a form. So here you have to fill up some details such as your first name. Then you also have to enter the platform where you're facing this issue. Then type in your topic and then you want to click on the send button. After this, here it says they have received your case. So in 1 minute's time, you're going to find the live chat. You can also choose to click on my cases in meanwhile. So after some time, it is going to appear over here. So here you can see there is the live chat, and now you can directly contact with the live agent. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.